In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace website for better search engine visibility and performance. Let's dive right into how you can significantly improve your site's SEO. First, let's address a common issue: no SEO setup. When you first create your Squarespace site, it's not automatically optimized for search engines. The good news is you can change that. Head over to your page settings, navigate to the SEO section, and start by adding clear and concise page titles and meta descriptions. Make sure these titles and descriptions include keywords that your audience is likely searching for. Additionally, ensure that you're using headings correctly within your content. Use H1 tags for your main titles and H2 for subheadings. This structure helps search engines understand the hierarchy and importance of your content. Next, it's crucial to ensure you're using keywords strategically. Often people write content without considering what terms their potential visitors might type into a search engine. To remedy this, utilize free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. These platforms can help you find impactful phrases such as "best wedding photographer in Manila." Incorporate these keywords naturally into your page titles, blog posts, and meta descriptions to better align your content with the search intent of your audience. Another common pitfall is having a site that remains static. Simply having a home page and an about page isn't enough for Google to rank your site effectively. To combat this, start a blog or create a resources page where you can consistently add new content. Whether it's guides, tips, or frequently asked questions, more pages mean more chances to appear in search results. Site speed is another vital factor in your website's performance. Slow site speed can be a major hindrance on Squarespace if you're not careful. Heavy images or lack of optimization can drag down your site's loading time, and unfortunately, Google doesn't look favorably upon that. To speed things up, make sure to compress your images using tools like TinyPNG or Squoosh before uploading them. It's also wise to limit videos on your site, or consider using embeds from YouTube or Vimeo instead. For a comprehensive check, analyze your site speed using Google's Page Speed Insights. Finally, never underestimate the power of backlinks and social proof. Google tends to trust websites more when others link to them. So, promote your content on social media, contribute guest posts to related blogs, and consider getting listed in directories like Yelp, Clutch, or Goodreads based on your needs. Each of these backlinks can enhance your site's authority and help boost your visibility in search results. By addressing these key areas, you'll be well on your way to creating a strong, SEO-friendly Squarespace site that attracts and retains visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you get the visibility you deserve.